Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudial and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create watercolor texture brushes in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. So first you have to go to Google and here type watercolor texture brushes PNG. Here go to images and from here you can select the brush and download. Remember, the image should be in PNG format. Now, drag this image to Illustrator. Like this. Now, what you have to do is select the image and go to Object and here select Rasterize. Here, Transparent should be ticked and click OK. Now, this image has been rasterized. Now, select the image and go to Brushes panel. If you don't have the Brushes panel showing up here, go to Window and here Brushes. Now click here on Create New Brush and here select Art Brush and click OK. Give a name to your brush and click OK. Now select that brush and select the brush tool. Like this. This is how you can create watercolor texture brushes. I'm going to download more brushes. Here you go. So this is how you can create different watercolor texture brushes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.